In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install free SSL certificate for lifetime on Cloudflare. First, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard and start by choosing Onboard a Domain. You can bring in a domain you already own or register a new one through Cloudflare. Type your domain name carefully. This is what Cloudflare will use to set up protection and SSL for your site. Cloudflare will offer to scan your current DNS records. Let it run a quick scan to automatically discover A, CNAME, MX, and other records. If your domain is brand new or the scan misses something, you'll also see options to manually enter DNS records or upload a DNS zone file. For now, stick with the quick scan, then review what Cloudflare finds. Make sure your important records, especially the ones that point your website to your hosting server, are present and accurate. If something is missing, you can add it later, but getting DNS right at this stage will save you time. Next, you'll see a setup choice related to AI training bots. You can block them on all pages, block them only on host names with ads, or allow crawlers. For now, select block on all pages so your site is protected while you finish setup. You can revisit this later if your needs change. Click Continue to proceed. You'll now pick a plan. You'll see options like Free, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. The free plan is perfect for enabling universal SSL, so choose Free and then select the plan to continue. Once your site is added, go to the SSL TLS section in the left menu and open the Overview tab. Here, set the SSL TLS encryption mode to full. This means Cloudflare will connect to your origin server using HTTPS, which provides end-to-end encryption. Full mode assumes your server can respond over HTTPS with a certificate, self-signed or otherwise. If your host already supports HTTPS, you're good. If not, work with your host to ensure your origin can serve HTTPS so you maintain secure connections all the way through. Cloudflare will automatically issue a free universal SSL certificate for your domain. This is handled by Cloudflare and renews itself so you don't have to worry about expiration. It can take a few minutes to a few hours to activate depending on DNS propagation. When it's ready, visit your site with HTTPS in the address bar to confirm the padlock appears and pages load securely. That's it. You onboarded your domain, reviewed DNS, chose sensible protection defaults, selected the free plan, set SSL TLS to full, and let Cloudflare issue your free auto-renewing SSL. No manual renewals required.